keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired, now won't you meet high.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. As you've just seen at the top of this video, I'm doing a quick evening clean and I wanted to bring you along with me. So come on, put me on whatever device you have and let's clean together. I'm beginning in the bedroom and changing the bedding first. Like many of you, I've got small children and I work full time, so I take whatever little windows of opportunity I can to get things done, hence me cleaning in the evening. I'm going to level with you, I really had to make myself do this tonight. I would much rather be sitting on the couch in front of Netflix, preferably with a glass of wine, but I know that I'll just be annoyed with myself because I really need to get these jobs done. If you feel like that and you need a little bit of extra cleaning motivation, then I can help you power through. Please do consider subscribing to my channel for weekly cleaning videos. As you can hear, I have my little co-host with me. It's my 7-month daughter, so if you hear her little voice every now and then, like that, there you go. That's why. This is mum life, people. We are keeping it real over here.
So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy. And I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy. And I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy. And I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Into my son's room, I'm changing the bedding and then I'm going to finish off by vacuuming the carpet. Changing the bedding is my least favourite thing to do when I'm cleaning, so I usually just do it all at once to get it out of the way.
I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch. just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, I desire.
Now I'm in the shower room. I'm doing pretty well for time. It's actually quite amazing how much you can get done when you're running short on time. I'm cleaning the sink, the shower, the toilet, and then I'll finish off by switching out with some fresh towels.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest string, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks. Thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. I still think of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still
Now for my office, it's really quite dusty in here, so I'm going to give it a proper clean. The way that I do that is by basically just removing everything from the surfaces and then giving it a really good clean down. The room feels so much bigger and fresher when I give it a proper clean like this, so I'm looking forward to that feeling.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give you one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. To prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. 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 Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you
me done in here, and we'll go back over to my wardrobe / dressing room now. So I'm taking everything off the dresser yet again so that I can give it a proper clean. If you missed my big wardrobe clean and declutter that I did recently, then I'll have the video for that linked up here on the screen. This space was a complete disaster area, and yeah, the before and after shots are so satisfying in that one, so be sure to check it out.
When we first met, yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. To you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Right next to you. To you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky.
If you need more cleaning motivation, then check out my playlist in the description box for you below. Please like this video and do consider subscribing for more weekly cleaning, organising and decluttering motivation from me. Thank you so much for watching from me and my little co-presenter today, and I will see you next week. Say bye-bye. Bye.
'Cause I'm right next to you.